I encourage everybody that's selling real estate to be professionally trained and held accountable for what they're doing. When you have a professionally trained coaching program monitoring you that you report to, you report your numbers every week. You know when things aren't working, they're there to guide you and help you and tweak things. And then also reporting all of those numbers to the client so that they know what you're doing to sell their home. They very rarely ever complain about paying me because they know what it costs me to bring a listing to market. They know I'm going to report all of the advertising and show proof of everything that I say on their every other week call. We update sellers every other Wednesday from 11 to 1 via Zoom meeting, so I can screen share and show them all the advertising, all the results, all the feedback from their showings. And if for any reason we don't have the home sold in 8 weeks, I make adjustments and we have a backup plan, okay? It's running plays at work, having systems and processes, pricing the home correctly in the beginning, and then having the home ready to come to market, of course. It doesn't matter how much I do. If it's overpriced or if the home isn't in the condition it should be, I just have a responsibility to get it into that condition before it comes to market, or nothing.